In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Jira. This quick setup lets you bring Jira right into your inbox so you can turn emails into actionable work without switching tabs. To begin, open Gmail in your desktop browser. Using a modern browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox works best. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account where you want the add-on installed and give Gmail a moment to fully load. Look to the right-hand sidebar inside Gmail. You'll see a vertical panel with small app icons. At the bottom of that panel, click the plus icon labeled Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is where we'll find the integration. In the Marketplace search bar, type Atlassian or Jira Cloud for Gmail. You're looking for the official Jira Cloud for Gmail add-on from Atlassian. Select it from the results, then click Install. Gmail may prompt you to choose your Google account and review permissions. These permissions allow the add-on to display relevant Jira actions next to your emails. Continue through the prompts to complete the installation. If your organization manages apps centrally, you may see an admin approval message, in which case your administrator will need to enable it for you. Once the installation finishes, go back to Gmail and open any email. The Jira add-on works in the context of an open message, so choosing a real email helps the panel load the right options. If you don't immediately see the icon, refresh Gmail and make sure the right-hand panel is visible. With the email open, look again at the right panel and click the Atlassian or Jira icon. A side panel will appear, showing Jira actions and details. The first time you use it, you'll be asked to sign in to your Atlassian account and select your Jira site. Follow the sign-in prompts, and if you have access to more than one site, pick the one where you manage your issues. This links the add-on to the correct Jira instance and ensures you see the right projects and permissions. That's it. Your Gmail and Jira are now connected. From here, you can work directly from your inbox. The add-on will let you create Jira issues based on the email content, view existing issues related to the conversation, and keep context without copy-pasting. If something doesn't appear as expected, refresh Gmail, confirm you're signed into the correct Google and Atlassian accounts, and verify you selected the right Jira site during setup. You're now ready to streamline your workflow by bringing Jira into your everyday email routine.